Hello everyone, welcome back to DevOps Career YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about a new feature introduced in Amazon S3 called Account Regional Namespace. If you have ever tried to create an S3 bucket and received an error, bucket name already exists. This feature solves that problem. Along with the explanation, I will also show you a small hands-on lab so you can clearly understand the difference. What is the problem with traditional S3 bucket namespacing? Earlier in S3, bucket names had to be globally unique. That means if someone anywhere in the world creates a bucket called logs, then you cannot create the same bucket name in your AWS account. This is because S3 is using something called a global namespace. So click on this global namespace. I will try to create a bucket called logs. So create. So it shows that bucket with the same name already exist. This is because S3 used something called a global namespace. This created several changes. Difficult to find available bucket names, very long bucket names conventions, conflicts between different teams and accounts. Now, what is account regional namespace? To solve this issue, AWS introduced account regional namespace. With this feature, bucket names only need to be unique within your AWS account and region. For example, account A can create a bucket called logs and account B also can create a bucket called logs. Both will work because they belongs to different AWS accounts. This makes bucket naming much simpler and easier to manage. This is a feature very useful in organizations that follow a multi-account architecture. For example, companies usually have accounts like dev AWS account, test AWS account, production AWS account. Now, all these accounts can use same bucket name such as logs bucket. This simplifies automation, infrastructure deployment, and management. So now let's quickly see a simple lab demonstration. So I'm already in the service called S3. So let me create a bucket with global namespace. So I will select the global namespace. I will use the logs as a name. So it shows that bucket with the same name is already exist. This is because S3 bucket names must be unique across entire AWS platform around the world. So now we will create a bucket using account regional namespace. So I have selected account regional namespace. I am using the same name as logs. So now we'll create with this bucket. So now you see the bucket has been created successfully. So you can see this is the bucket, logs bucket. Logs minus account number and AP South 1, which is Mumbai region. This happens because the bucket name only need to be unique inside your AWS account and region. So we'll try to verify the bucket. To verify the bucket, we'll try to upload any file to this bucket. Just add files, click on add files, and I will go and click this certificate, upload. So a new YAML file has been uploaded. So you will see that the bucket works exactly like a normal S3 bucket. The key learning from this lab is, from this lab, we learned why S3 global namespaces cause naming conflicts, how account regional namespace solves this problem, why this feature is useful in multi-account AWS environment. So, in summary, account regional namespace is a powerful new feature in Amazon S3 that removes global bucket name dependencies and simplifies bucket management. This is especially helpful for large organizations, automation pipelines, and multi-account AWS setups. So, if you found this video is helpful, please like and share it. And if you want to learn AWS with real-time labs and practical scenarios, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.